So what does it mean to improve process controls in an industrial plant? So the question is, you might have your process, but are you using the instruments that are the latest technology, the highest capabilities, the most accuracy, reliability? How are their data reporting capabilities to your plant control system? Are they sitting out there? Are you having to send people out to your instruments to take manual readings? Does it come back to the PLC? So considering where the status of your instrumentation is in your plant is a key part to improving your process controls.
Concept Systems offers a lot of value to customers when it comes to process systems work due to our expertise and our knowledge base. It can provide quicker time to start up.
Getting Concept Systems involved early enough in the process, we're able to help guide customers that may not have the best experience with doing a full integration or large process projects. We have the ability to help check P&IDs. We can go through and review electrical drawings, help them come up with a good scheme and a design for their process control system.
Without proper process control planning, we find that there's a lot of struggles at the end of a project. And the end of a project is the worst time to have struggles because things are more difficult to deal with. If you can deal with those up front, sometimes we say that every $10 saved up front or spent up front saves you $100 10 times. So you can get a lot of value for solving a problem early on when there's time, when there's a proper way to solve the issue, or just think through a plan.